Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today is December 20th, 2024. It's about 30 degrees out and it's about 4:50 p.m. As you can see, it is snowing out and it's Christmas weekend, or just about. It's Friday. It's been snowing out for about half the day now. As you can see, we're all decorated now. I think we're expecting about 1 to 3 inches total. It's going to snow for a few hours more. We're currently in Christopher Columbus Park in the north end, and this is the trellis, which is always lit up every year. Oh, it's a beautiful sight. You see all the trees are beautiful, covered with snow in the background. And we're going to head towards Faneuil Hall, and we'll see the Faneuil Hall Christmas tree. The park looks especially beautiful covered in snow. Really love it. So I think I'm going to try to check out a few Christmas trees. I'm going to occasionally wipe off the lens just in case some of the snowflakes are hitting it. So you can hear they're playing a lot of Christmas music here. I'm going to walk out the side here. You can see another view of the trellis. Beautiful. I hope everybody's having an excellent holiday season. See the Custom House clock tower. Have all the trees lit up. It's beautiful. I have to say, it's pretty rare that we get a snowstorm before Christmas, or it has been at least, and I can't even remember the last time we got one like this. It has been a long time. You can really see the snow in the headlights over there. So it's kind of nice. I don't think it's likely this will stick around for Christmas though. Okay, so we're going to continue along to Faneuil Hall. A little bit windy in this section. There's the carousel. And after Faneuil Hall, we'll continue along to Government Center and then to the Boston Common and the Boston Public Garden. Alright, so we're walking into Faneuil Hall. Pretty wet right here. I'm going to try to avoid soaking my feet. And then we're going to see the back end of Quincy Market. Much nicer in here. It's blocking the wind. Got to keep an eye out for the snowplows going back and forth here. There's Ned Devine's. Wound up there a few times in my younger years. You can really see the snow falling here because of these bright lights. See, the trees are covered with snow here. It's a Red Auerbach statue. Pretty quiet here, probably the weekend before the holidays. You can hear the snowplows back there. And as we come around the corner up here, we'll see the Faneuil Hall Christmas tree. Oh, looks like they're having a snowball fight up ahead. I'm not going to risk that. And right around the corner here should be the Faneuil Hall Christmas tree. I'm going to go over and walk right up to it. Looks beautiful right now because it has like a covering of snow on it. Have all these wrapped up for Christmas. Oops, sorry, my umbrella is getting in the way. It's beautiful. I'll stand back here and get a view of the Boston behind it. There you go. Gorgeous. It's Boston City Hall. Faneuil Hall. Shall go walk past the tap room. They're really decorated. Got some more snowball fights going on. There's a Sam Adams statue. All right, so we're going to head up to Government Center. They're all lit up for blue right now. It's picking up here. Christmas tree in there. Going to walk a little bit closer to the tree. Have to be careful. There's the Government Center Christmas tree. Everything covered in snow. It's beautiful. We're going to go past the train station here. I'll go on this side. And then we can head over to down Washington Street and to the Boston Common. You can see they have the red and green lights right now. Here's the T entrance to the blue and green line. Although the green line is not running apparently through Government Center at the moment. Center Plaza across the street. I guess I'll cross the street here. Well, the crossing's good. So I'm actually heading down Tremont Street, which is fine. I was going to head down Washington, but this will take us over to the Boston Common, which I'm sure looks like an absolute winter wonderland at the moment. There's a wonderful honking in the background. King's Chapel Burying Ground, I believe, across the street, which I think is the oldest burying ground in Boston.
I know, you couldn't find a better day.
Omni Parker House across the street. Sounds like people are protesting down there. There's the Granary Burying Ground. This looks gorgeous in the winter when it's covered in snow because of all the trees.
Oh, wait, dude, I know that is so. Yeah, dude. Okay, I love you.
Alright, so we're coming upon the Boston Common. There is the Boston Common Christmas tree, of course. Alright, so I just had to switch my camera to my GoPro because the DJI, it's really getting old, so the battery just runs out really fast. Probably need to get a new one at this point. But we're going to continue to walk through the Boston Common. I'm assuming the skating rink is going, maybe not. Although it doesn't seem like there's too much activity over there. Oh, it looks like they got the Zamboni out.
Let's go to Copley.
The tadpole playground. Unfortunately, it looks like there's a Zamboni out right now, but it does not look like the skating rink is open tonight. So we'll just continue along and walk over to the Boston Public Garden. Yeah, I guess it is covered with snow, so couldn't really ice skate out here. You can see. Another view behind. Coming down pretty good right now. It's sort of like a mix of snow and ice. Oh, looks like some kids are sledding. That's a popular spot to go sledding. Really beautiful here right now.
We're all little kids right now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, dear.
Okay, so we're going to walk a little bit down the Commonwealth Ave pedestrian mall. And then we will head over to Beacon Street because I do believe, oh sorry, not Beacon, Boylston Street. Because I do believe this year they do have a Christmas tree down there. This is always beautifully lit. It's back to mostly snow now. It was icing there for a second. Alright, so I think I'm going to cut down this way. We can see some of Boylston Street. And I believe there's a Christmas tree right on in Copley Square in front of the Trinity Church. Last year there wasn't one because that whole area was being renovated for a long while. You can see the old Natural History Museum across the street to the right. Used to be, of course. I think it's a furniture store now. So we can walk back here. Quite a wintry night we have here. It's actually not too cold. I'd say it's still right around 30 degrees-ish. At the RH Boston, the gallery at the Historical Museum of Natural History. Ooh. Yeah, my umbrella's going backwards. Alright, I'm going to come around here. And we'll head down to the Trinity Church and Copley Square. Ooh, nice headwind here. Apologies if any snowflakes are accumulating on the lens. The side view of the Natural History Museum. The building, of course. Historic. Ooh, there we go. I'm just used to my umbrella blowing out backwards. Ooh. It's a little more windy on this street. There's 500 Boylston across the street. See my umbrella right now. There you go. Alright, we're just about at the Trinity Church. Oof.